name is Shananya of 9th class. I here want to tell some do's and don'ts to prevent coronavirus. The first thing is to wear a mask. Check your body temperatures regularly. Wash your hands frequently. Don't stay in crowded places. Don't neglect if you have any symptoms. The only thing we have to do is do nothing and stay home. Thank you.
This is Samhita of 9th class stood before you to share few precautions of COVID-19. Help stop the spread of COVID-19 and stay healthy. Maintain at least 1 meter social distance. Use alternative non-touch greeting. Avoid spitting in public places. Avoid huge gatherings. Thank you.
Start.
Good evening to everyone. This is Swati and I am studying in class 9. Stood before you to say few words about coronavirus. Coronavirus disease is caused by the new coronavirus SARS-CoV-2. The main disease caused by this is respiratory failure. So all of you wear your mask, sanitize your hands and don't touch your eyes, nose, mouth with hands without washing. If you have minor symptoms, consult doctor. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Good evening one and all. This is Sriharshita of class 9 and I want to share a few words about coronavirus which caused a drastic change in the human life worldwide. And in this pandemic situation, we should use mask when we are moving out. And also we should wash our hands frequently with soap and also sanitizer. And keep a social distance. Stay home, stay safe. Do not panic and take care of yourself.
Shivesta of class 9. To avoid spreading of coronavirus, we should follow some precautions like wearing a mask and avoid going to outside places as much as possible and avoid going to crowded places. Isolate yourself if you are sick and eat nutritional food to develop your immune system. And finally, be alert, control the virus and save the lives. Thank you.
I am Charita of class 9 from Sri Vidya School, Kottagudem. As we all know, the coronavirus disease of COVID-19 had made the entire world to stand still. Take the simple steps to prevent the spread of coronavirus. Maintain social distance of about 3 feet, wash your hands frequently, and don't touch or avoid touching the eyes and nose, mouth, and practice the regular hygiene.
Monica of class 9 from Sri Vidya School. I am going to share some precautions on coronavirus. Do practice social distancing. Do wash your hands regularly at least 20 seconds. Don't share the things. Don't cough or sneeze without the mask. Be negative in corona, be positive in life. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. This is Lakshmi Sratma of 8th Advanced. Stood before you to tell about the things that should not be done in COVID pandemic. Don't neglect to use sanitizer. Don't neglect to use mask regularly. Don't take out your mask in public areas. Don't touch your sense organs like eyes, nose, mouth, etc. in public areas. Don't go outside unnecessarily. Thank you.
My name is Swapnika. I am from 8th class. Now I am going to give some precautions during COVID-19 pandemic situations. Maintain social distance between a person to a person. Cover your nose and mouth when you are sneezing or coughing and cough into your flexed elbow. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water for 20 seconds or use hand sanitizer. Avoid participating in large gatherings. Consult a doctor when you are sick. Consider wearing a face mask. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
A very warm, pleasant good evening to respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, teachers and my dear friends. I, Sharanya of class 8, stood here to say and to get awareness on COVID-19. There are some kind of precautions which we should follow to get prevention from COVID-19 like wash your hands frequently by using alcohol-based sanitizer and hand wash. Use face mask and make sure it covers your mouth and nose. Follow social distance and avoid group meetings. There are some kind of precautions which we should not follow to get prevention from COVID-19 like shaking hands, always touching our face with our hands, being unhygienic, being negligent and joining in group meetings without following social distance. So guys, please follow the rules and regulations and precautions. Let us fight against COVID-19. Thank you for giving me this great opportunity. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind.
Hello all, I am Bhavani from 8th standard. Now I am going to speak about how to prevent coronavirus. Coronavirus are the viruses that can cause illness to our respiratory system. These can range from common cold to more severe diseases. We need to protect ourselves by following these small steps. Wash your hands frequently for about 20 seconds or use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Wear mask properly around others. Use kerchief or tissue when you cough or sneeze. Exercise daily to boost your immune system. Maintain social distancing. Stay 3 to 6 feet away from others. Avoid gathering more than 10 people. Keep your surroundings clean. If we follow all these steps, we can prevent coronavirus in our country. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Naga Vaishnavi and I am studying in 8th Advanced. Now I am going to tell you some precautions to be taken during coronavirus. Practice frequent washing of hands with soap or alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Cover your mouth while sneezing and coughing. Wear a mask whenever you go outside. Throw used tissues into a closed bin immediately after use. Avoid large social gathering to reduce the chance of spreading the virus. Don't spit in public. Don't have contact with anyone if you are experiencing cough and fever. Please take these precautions to protect yourself and others from this evil virus. Thank you everyone.
Good evening to everyone. This is Heyman of class 9th Advance of Srividya Schools. Today I am here to say do and don'ts during corona. Don'ts. Don't remove your hands and touch everything because corona is everywhere. And don't go out unnecessarily. And do's. Use your pocket hand sanitizer or pocket liquid hand wash because corona is everywhere. And do that. Everything is not for you and it is for your family also. If you get attacked by corona, you are the main responsibility for that. And be careful that corona is everywhere and be cautioned. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Stay home, stay safe and stay healthier. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Good morning to one and all. My name is B. Sankalp of 9th class. I want to tell few words about the COVID-19. This COVID-19 is also called as coronavirus, and it came from China, Wuhan, by the mammals and birds in the China. And as compared to other countries, India got less cases by the COVID-19. And when we go out, we should wear mask and we should use sanitizer. So stay home, stay safe.